Hello my dear students, once again welcome back for the continuation of chapter 4 in chemistry, that is matter. Today I would like to explain you terms involved in states of matter. For this you can refer page number 59 and 60 in your textbook. Let's see what are the terms involved in states of matter. First one here, intermolecular space. Now, what is intermolecular space? The space or gap between the molecules is known as intermolecular space. As you can see here, the space or gap between the molecules is known as intermolecular space. And you know that solids have less intermolecular spaces as the molecules are closely packed in solid. Liquids have more intermolecular spaces as the molecules are less compact as compared to solid. Whereas gases, they have maximum intermolecular spaces as the molecules are loosely packed in gases. Now next here, intermolecular force of attraction. The force which exists between the molecules and hold the molecules together is known as intermolecular force of attraction. You know, solid have strongest intermolecular force of attraction because the molecules are closely packed. Liquids have weak intermolecular forces of attraction because in liquids molecules are less compact as compared to solid. Whereas gases, they have negligible intermolecular forces of attraction as the molecules are loosely packed and these molecules, they cannot attract with each other. Now next here, movement of molecules. As you know that molecules of matter are in constant random motion. See here, movement of molecules. Molecules in matter keep on moving about their fixed position. In solid, molecules are closely packed and these molecules cannot move. They vibrate in main position only. Whereas in liquids, they have more intermolecular space, so they can move within the available spaces. Whereas in gases, molecules are far apart. It means that molecules are loosely packed, far apart, and they move in all directions. They are free to move in all directions. Now next, volume. Volume is the space occupied by a body. Now here, volume, less movement of molecules means the definite volume and vice versa. You know, in solid molecules cannot move. That is why solids, they have definite shape. Less movement of molecule means definite volume and vice versa. Liquids have definite volume but do not have definite shape. They take the shape of the container. And liquids can move within the available space only. That is why liquids have definite volume but no definite shape. Whereas in gases, here the molecules of gases, they are free to move in all directions. That is why gases neither have definite volume nor definite shape. Now next, cohesive forces. These are the attractive forces between the similar molecules. Like example, between water and water molecules. The force which attract with each other between similar molecules are known as cohesive forces. Now next, adhesive forces. These are the attractive forces between the molecules of different materials. For example, water molecule and silica. Next, Brownian movement. The random or zigzag movement of suspended particles in a liquid or air is known as Brownian movement. As you can see here, random movement or zigzag movement of suspended particles in a gas or liquid is known as Brownian movement. For example, here, beam of light enters in a dark room. What do you see when the beam of light enters into the dark room? You can see the suspended particles which are moving in a random or zigzag way. Now next, diffusion. Diffusion, what is diffusion? It is the process of intermingling the molecules of one substance with the molecules of another substance. Here you can see here, diffusion is the process of mixing the substances with each other on their own. For example, when you open the lid of the perfume at the corner of the room, after some time, you'll smell the fragrance of the perfume in the entire room. This is an example of diffusion. Dear children, here we come to the end of today's class.